Welcome back to our Jodoo tutorial series. It is Estella. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can really transform how you interact with data in your applications: front-end events in Jodoo. We'll explore what a front-end event is and walk through how you can use it to enhance your workflows and create dynamic user experiences. Front-end event is a new way to obtain data that allows retrieving external APIs during data submission or form completion. This enables a range of operations, including data retrieval, validation, analysis, and event triggering. The front-end event feature can be used for free in all plans because you do not need to depend on Jodoo APIs. This feature is super useful when you want to automate tasks that depend on user input. Imagine you have a subform where users need to fill out information for multiple items. Instead of manually adding rows one by one, you can set up a front-end event to do this automatically based on the number the user specifies. Let's see how to set this up. To begin, open the form where you want to add this functionality. We'll start with a basic form that has a main field where the user can enter the number of rows they need, and a subform to add those rows automatically. Go to Design, Form Properties, Front-End Event, and click Settings. Click Add Front-End Event to the configuration page. In Front-End Event, you can set event name, event description, which is optional, trigger, and triggered action. Event name. This field is required. It refers to the name of a front-end event. We can name it Auto Add Rows. Event description. It refers to the description of a front-end event. We can enter use to add a number of rows to the subform automatically. Trigger. It refers to the condition that triggers a front-end event. Select a field from the drop-down list of trigger. When you manually modify the value of the field, an action will be triggered. In this case, we choose number of categories. Next, we configure the triggered action. In this case, we choose subform filler from the drop-down list. There are two options: add rows automatically and split multiple options. We choose the first one. Then we set up the number of added rows. We want it to be the same as the number of categories. This tells Jodoo to dynamically add that exact number of rows to the subform when the event is triggered. Next, we configure the storage mapping for fields. This mapping determines where and how the information entered into different fields is saved and connected within Jodoo's backend, ensuring that data is correctly stored and accessible when needed. Click Add. Choose Subform. Then select Item Details Number. This way, we establish the mapping relationship. Now that we've set up the event, let's test it out. Click Save and go to Data Submitting page. Enter 5 or any numbers you like to the number of categories. Wait for a few seconds. You can see there are 5 rows added. If you don't want to see the field of number, you can hide this field by setting field permissions. On the Design page, unselect View. Then the field will be hidden when you submit data. Let's see how it looks. Okay, everyone, that's all for today's video. Now that you know how to use front-end events to add rows to a subform automatically, try incorporating this feature into your own Jodoo projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials on Jodoo's powerful features. See you next time.